Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a smoke using Stardust plugin in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition, then hit OK, go to layer and I'll add a new solid. I'll name it Stardust, then hit OK, go to effects and presets and I'll type Stardust. Now I'll drag and drop on our Stardust layer and here we go. Okay, go to emitter, set point to sphere and I'll change size X, Y and Z to 15 like this. Okay, now I'll go to particle, change circle to cloud and I'll go to particle properties. I'll increase size to 20. Okay, yeah, very good. Now I'll go to cloud properties and I'll increase circles and also I'll increase density. Okay, something like this. Okay, now I'll open overlay, size, and I'll go to presets. I'll choose this one, apply, and see. Also opacity, I'll drag this point down like this and see. Okay, now particle feather, I'll increase it to 100. Also opacity, I'll decrease it a little bit. Opacity random, I'll increase it. Also life random, size random, and see. Okay, now I'll open shadow properties, check on, and I'll go to distance and I'll increase it like this. And see, this is point, black point. Okay, yeah. Also size, I'll increase it and see. Okay, this is very good. Now I'll go to emitter and let me go to XY, Alt and click, and I'll type wiggle 1, 500, 1, 500, and see. Yeah, this is our smoke. Now we have some issues here, so I'll go to particle, then I'll go to size over life, and let me bring this point up, also this one, and see. Okay, also I'll go to emitter, particle per second, I'll increase it. Again, I'll go to particle, and let me make this point also life random. Okay, size a little bit, and also I will go to color of a life and I'll change this color to gray, something like this, and see. Okay, now opacity, let me decrease it, and also size, I'll increase it, and life random. Okay, size also something like this. Okay, to make a realistic smoke. Also I'll go to emitter, I'll increase particle per second. Okay, again particle, and okay, opacity random. and opacity, something like this, and also feather 100, okay. Also first of our smoke, yeah, I think this is good. I think this is good. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.